Hi, my name is Jay, and this is number 14 in a series of Book of Mormon videos. Today's subject is Proboscidea, Equus, and Bovidae, which is Latin for the order of elephants, horses, and ruminant mammals, which includes cattle, sheep, goats, etc. All these animals are mentioned in the Book of Mormon. Ancient petroglyphs and drawings of these animals and more have been found and associated with ancient civilizations in North America. Carved image of sheep and goats of the biological family Bovidae. The Book of Mormon in Ether, chapter 9, verse 18 says, "And also all manner of cattle, of oxen and cows, and of sheep, and of swine, and of goats, and many other kinds of animals which were useful for the food of man." Models of a mastodon and mammoth of the same Proboscidea family as elephants. It says in the Book of Mormon, Ether, chapter 9, verse 19, "And they also had horses and asses, and there were elephants and curlams and cumams, all of which were useful unto man, and more especially the elephants and the curlams and cumams." Since curlams and cumams are mentioned together with elephants, they are most likely related to the elephants as are mammoths and mastodons, which are of the same biological family, genus of Proboscidea. Mastodon petroglyph. In 2007, under the waters of Lake Michigan, the EC in the Book of Mormon, divers found the Mastodon rock, an ancient American carving in granite rock. Notice how the tusk is trimmed, which is a sign of domestication. Since it is underwater, it has not been validated by experts, although most observers do believe it is a petroglyph. The photo is color enhanced to highlight the features. Elephant on gold coin. In the Book of Mormon currency, this would be called a shem of gold. Horse on silver coin. In the Book of Mormon currency, this would be called an ezrom of silver. In the book of 1 Nephi, chapter 22, verse 27, "And the Holy Ghost came down out of heaven and abided upon him in the form of a dove." Horses and chariots. In Alma, chapter 20, verse 6, "Now when Lamoni had heard this, he caused that his servants should make ready his horses and his chariots." These are just some of the ancient North American artifacts depicting animals mentioned in the Book of Mormon. Indirectly mentioned are bears and bison. Migratory animals are mentioned in the Book of Mormon. Extent of bison in the United States and Canada in 1720 and earlier. Bison are migratory, traveling south for food in the winter and north for food in the summer. In Alma chapter 22, verse 31, it says, "Land on the southward was called Bountiful, it being a wilderness which is filled with all manner of wild animals of every kind, a part of which had come from the land northward for food." Like and subscribe, and check out the channel for many other Book of Mormon evidences in North America. Well, that is all for now. Jay.